Hey guys, this is Hunter with the Seat Shop, here to explain some stuff about hog rings, the pliers themselves, and how to fasten a cover that requires hog rings onto a foam cushion. The first thing here is what a hog ring is. So a hog ring is basically just a big metal staple. It's going to crimp these two bars together. There's a couple different pair of hog ring pliers they sell. These are going to be spring loaded. As you can see, it's going to snap back. It allows it to hold it together so you can one hand it and you don't have to worry about this hog ring falling out. Another pair, some that we sell, is going to be like this. This is not going to have the spring loaded. A tip that I always tell people is just get a regular rubber band. I double it on here on the handle itself, and that's going to act as your spring as well. So you don't have to sit there and hold and make sure that hog ring stays in there. It's going to hold just like that, like a spring loaded pair would. The next thing is a hog ring strip. If the cover requires hog rings, there's going to be a strip that's going to be sewn onto the cover itself. Like here, this one has four that are sewn onto the channels. It's basically a piece of cloth that has a plastic bar crimped on the end. Is what that bar does is it's actually going to go in a channel like this itself and fasten to a bar that's built into the foam like that. So a hog ring is basically just a big metal staple. It's going to crimp these two bars together. That's what gives all the definition of the seam lines itself on a cover across here and here. That's what's going to fasten it down and make it look good and tight. A tip that I use and tell people about when I'm fastening the cover onto the foam is with a pair of hog ring pliers like this. I will get the cover lined up side to side and forward to back, and then take the top prong or top poke of the hog ring itself and push it kind of in that cloth material there. Once you're hooked on that, it's kind of going to fasten and hold. I'll push it down to where that bottom side is underneath the bar that's built into the foam and crimp it just like that. Let's show you. Just like that. So now both of these are fastened together. So now I'm going to actually show you with one of those hog ring clips sewn onto the cover itself, show you how that actually defines the seam. So we'll get a hog ring here loaded up. Go through the cloth itself. Push down into the foam, grab that bar, there's one, two, and three there. So when this is going to be folded over, actually on the seat cover itself, you see how it pulled that seam in nice and tight right there, and that's what gives that definition. Don't forget to check out our other instructional videos. If you got any questions, comment below or give us a shout at 214-710-2565. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and get all up to date with the new quick tips.